Warning: the very scents you love are poisoning the air you breathe and disrupting your body's survival systems. Phthalates are everywhere. In your perfume, your soap, and your blood. Nearly 95% of us are already contaminated. These chemicals aren't bound to products. They leak out, enter your lungs, and hijack your hormones. In perfumes and mists, they are the fixatives that make scents last. But in the air, they become invisible pollutants. Lotions, deodorants, and soaps hide them under the label fragrance. Your skin absorbs them, your lungs inhale them. They are endocrine disruptors, mimicking your natural hormones and leading to systemic health failures. Research links exposure to reduced sperm quality and infertility. Our reproductive health is at stake. Prenatal exposure is linked to lower IQ scores and neurodevelopmental disorders like ADHD in children. Phthalates contribute to 100,000 premature deaths every year in the US alone. The cost is $47 billion. Inhaling phthalate-laden dust also triggers chronic airway inflammation and asthma in both adults and children. These chemicals induce oxidative stress in your lung tissues, damaging your cells every time you take a breath. Indoor air is often more polluted than the outdoors because of products we use to make homes smell clean. Even your food is a source. Fast foods are loaded with phthalates leached from industrial plastic packaging. Fight back, ditch the plastic, switch to glass, stainless steel, or medical-grade silicone for your food. Read the labels. If it says fragrance or parfum, put it back. Look for certified phthalate-free brands. To clean your air, use high-quality purifiers. HEPA filters trap toxic dust, while activated carbon absorbs the gas. Open windows daily and use a HEPA-filtered vacuum to remove the contaminated dust from your home. For a lung detox, stay hydrated. Water helps the mucous membranes clear toxins from your airways. Eat antioxidant-rich foods like vitamin C and E to help your body combat chemical-induced oxidative stress. The tide is turning. The EU has already banned the most harmful phthalates in toys and cosmetics. Demand the same. In the US, the FDA still allows phthalates to hide in fragrance. You must be your own health advocate. Simple DIY HEPA filters can reduce indoor phthalate levels by 60%. Clean air is within your reach. What you smell, you absorb. What you absorb dictates your health. Choose wisely for your body's survival. Small changes lead to systemic recovery. Protect your hormones, your lungs, and your family's future. Biology explains, compassion understands. Subscribe for more science-backed stories. Warning: the scents you love are poisoning your air. Choose fragrance-free for a healthier life.